Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Chase mobile sign up not working. Trying to create a new Chase account but the app refuses. Here's the fastest fix to complete sign up. First of all, just make sure the number and email you entered are linked to another Chase account. Turn off VPN and private DNS. Chase blocks identity verification through them. Then head over to your app store, search for Chase Mobile Bank and Invest, and then make sure to update it. Updating it helps to remove all the bugs and it downloads the latest features, so make sure to update it to the latest version. Then restart your phone. After that, try signing up using mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. Then if the form freezes, switch to website, go to chase.com and enroll now. Tip: if your get user already exists, reset username instead of creating a new one, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.